Alright, this is Wind Up Rabbit with the 3 final games of my series with the Druid guide. This is Token Druid, which is a deck that was very popular around season 1-2, I think. That's when I started playing, and I think Token Druid was probably the most popular of them. I haven't played it for a while, so let's see how I do. Okay, Rogue. In the early game, you do want to keep Power of the Wild is pretty decent. I think Dark Whispers might be okay in this deck. This is a pretty good hand, actually. I would love to have the coin, but you know, can't have everything in this world.
The pleasure is mine.
Let's see. That's probably normal rogue. Do I wild growth? I think I do. We need to pay attention, class. I think dropping that turn 4 is like really good. Coin. This guy's toast.
This guy's toast.
Got it. I'm fine with this. I'm actually really fine with that. I think backstab, yeah, is what it's gonna do.
This guy's toast.
Look at all the toast he has. It's rude, man. It's just the rudest. I think Drake is the best play here. Rat is good. Is that a full golden rogue? That's pretty sick. If it is. I really like rogue. It's one of my favorite decks to play. I'm playing it, you know, it's a lot of skill needed, so I like it. I think using Panther, Creeper, Wrath. He's running out of steam though. He might have Sprint, which, you know, wouldn't surprise me. But him having 2 SI7s and a backstab in his opening hand, that's pretty sick. Whoa, so that's Dragon Rogue. Cool. Actually, I haven't seen one. I actually think Emperor too is actually pretty. Here. I actually haven't seen this golden. It's pretty, very pretty. I think this deck also runs out of steam really quickly. I don't like it very much. Wait, excuse me. Okay. So 4/4 Twilight Drake, that's everything he had. That's pretty good, actually. If this stays alive, Scenarios is gonna be sick. Like absolutely a monster. What's that? Sprint? Yeah. That's pretty bad. It was so close to running out of steam too. So that's like super bad. Backstab. Yep. Scenarios to buff those. It's the right play here. Considering that's Dragon Rogue, I don't think it's running. What's his name? Yeah. Whoops. I'm so used to clicking it. So that's what you're not supposed to do. Sets up for a good Blade Flurry for him, which I kinda didn't want him to have. No, he doesn't have it. So, not even gonna be him. I think I might do that. Hit there, I think. Nice. Okay, he's in a bad spot. To be fair, I don't think this really shows how Token Druid plays. It's just, this is a normal, no, pretty ram combo druid game. Another beep boop. Angaf of Vengeance. Savageur. Double swipes that lethal. So that's 9 damage, 9. 19, yeah, that's definitely lethal. Alright. Easy game, easy life. Alright, so that's game 1. And that was a pretty quick one, which is nice. Alright,